What up, what up? This is day one of my ski adventure in Colorado, and it's very early. It's 7:14 in the morning, but I woke up at 5:30 so I could be out of the hotel and have breakfast, have some time with Jesus, and then go to the mountains. So I'm right now getting ready to go. It's an hour drive to where I'm going. I'm going to Loveland ski area, and so I already have everything. I have my rentals over here in the back, and I have all of my gear. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a good time. I'm taking my cameras with me. I'm filming right now on the Sony ZV-E10, but on the mountain I'm going to be using my GoPro Hero 9. And yeah, I heard that, you know, the Sony is not very weatherproof, so I'm not going to risk it. But I'm gonna have a good time, and I'm taking you with me, so let's go.
Things to do, and live and love you all as my own. Holding fast to Colorado, a picture in my head. My thinking before I've even left. Oh, how can I let go of what's inside my mind? Maybe up there in the mountains I will not know pride.
Okay, so this is day two of my ski adventure, and I'm still here in Kremlin, Colorado. I spent the night here because I just love this place, and this is the reason why. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I just came to this place so that I can get some drone shots before I go skiing again. And yeah, very grateful for being here and looking at God's creation like this.
So I'm here in Colorado. Peace does not run short. Live in the freedom that I was made for. Yes, I am unfinished. Yes, I am not done. Still, it's up here in the mountains I did find my home. Yes, it's up here in the mountains I did find my home.
Good morning. I believe this is day 3 of my Colorado ski adventure, and unfortunately I'm not going skiing today, but I am going on a hike in Silverthorne, which is about an hour and a half away from Denver. I have a crazy story that kind of happened suddenly, but basically I had to get a new car rental and I used American Airlines points to get it. Believe it or not, I'm trying to do this trip as cheap as possible, and so because the other cars were like above 8,000 points to rent, cars that were bigger, I had to get the cheapest deal I could find, and so it was for a luxury car. And when I got to the counter, the guy was like, oh, we can do an upgrade for you for $49 or something like that. And I was like, no, I'm fine. And then he was like, well, I'll give you my employee discount. And it turned out to be $20 to upgrade for a better car. And so when I got the car, it was the BMW Z4, which is really nice. It's a convertible. And so I spent $20 to get it, but it also has like traction control, and I can go in the snow with it because it has sport mode. So really nice car, and only spent $20 to rent it because I had American Airlines miles. And yeah, it's been really fun. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the view that I'm seeing right now on my way to Silverthorne. A little harder. I've already started the hike and I just didn't want to lose any time, so I didn't start filming earlier because I don't want to be here after the sun sets. So taking my GoPro now, and I'm also using the All Trails app, and it's been guiding me, although I've been here before, but it's always good to have a map with you. So let's go. So this is a reservoir. There's so much snow you can't actually see. On the other side, there is a lake, I believe, and so I'll try to fly the drone over there. But you can see the water a little bit better there. Here it's just snow everywhere. And it's a little cloudy today, but it's still beautiful. I actually like it this way because it's better for videos. And so I'm gonna go up to that little spot right there and I'll fly the drone from there.